How to properly uninstall GPU and install new GPU. Step 1. Uninstall old GPU drivers using DDU uninstaller linked in the descriptions below. Choose clean and shut down. Also, before you shut down, you already downloaded new GPU drivers for your new GPU. Unplug the PC from the socket and also unplug the LAN cable at the back of your PC. Carefully remove the GPU from the PC. Check GPU lock and screws to make sure it come out smoothly. Then install the new GPU to your PC. Don't forget the screws and GPU power connection. Please subscribe if you like more of this content. I also do live gameplay Dota 2 and other games on TikTok and Twitch. Link is in the descriptions. Plug in your PC and install your pre-downloaded GPU drivers for your new GPU. For me, it's the AMD 5700 XT. After complete installation, restart your PC and it's ready. Now let's try it on gaming. Thanks for watching and enjoy gaming.